Straps broke on an outdoor chair? Let's fix them and save a couple $100.
You can see where the strap used to be, and it's about 2 inches wide, so I'm going to make a 2-inch strap. The old pickle barrel, it's already had the top cut off of it. I'm going to use the speed square. I can mark this so I can follow it. Using a jigsaw to cut it. Just flatten off each end. Yeah, so from the outside of the bar is about 17.5. You're gonna need a little bit of overhang on each side, just curl around. So I'm gonna do 23¼ inch. We'll have some extra, but we'll cut it off at the end. Find my mark. There's our 5 slats. So I got all these stainless steel bolts. So we're gonna have to put a hole through the other side of the bar so we can put it all the way through and put a nut on it. I'm just gonna get all these burrs off so we don't slice our hand on them later. We're gonna be putting the bolts in through this side. And so to start this, I'm gonna put a hole about 1¼ inch up in. That way it's got enough material below it so it doesn't just rip it out. So go about 1¼ inch in. Since these are 2 inches wide, 1 inch is the middle. Same drill bit I use for the hole tools, and there's our hole. So we'll do that for all of them. Got my bolt and washer. Now we'll attach the first side to the chair. Put a washer on the other side, and a nut. I'm just gonna snug it up. So we have the one side on. So next thing is we're gonna mark either side of these so I know when I pull the strap over that I'm in the middle of this. These straps are 2 inches, so I'm just gonna go to the 1 inch mark. One side and mark 2 inch. Do this for every one. And that'll give me a rough guideline so when I'm pulling this over, I can line it up with one of the marks and I know the hole is gonna be through the middle of this. So put my torch on low. I'm gonna warm up this plastic to make it a little bit more pliable. And what Becky's gonna do is pull it, and when that cools, it'll have a sharper bend in it. It'll make it easier for pulling across. Go ahead and do the top.
Align it with the little marks there.
And then go ahead and pull it down, curve it. Let's switch. I'm gonna have you drill out a hole. So I'm aligned with the marks I made earlier, so I know the hole's gonna come up through the middle. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do that for the next 4.
Once you have all 5 done,
I'm gonna warm these up because once they cool off, they get hard to pull over again and line the holes back up.
Got it?
Okay. All right, so now we're just gonna put the last nuts on, washer and then a nut. All right, I'm just gonna snug these up. Now we'll just cut off the extra on this side that we're pulling on.